Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to get a PayPal link for donations, so you can use that link in your YouTube video or on your website. So let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Charles Blossom and I am going to show you how to get a PayPal link to receive donation in your PayPal account easily. The first thing I am going to do is open a new tab in my browser. Now we are gonna type PayPal in the browser and we are gonna click on the first result on Google. Now we are gonna enter our PayPal account. Now you only have to click on this icon here, then click on Seller Tools. Now you have to click on Manage. And as you can see, we have some options here. We are gonna select this one, Donate. Now that you are here, you don't need to change anything. You just have to click on Continue. Continue again. Finish and get code. And as you can see here, you have your PayPal link. You only have to click on Copy. And that's it, guys. That's the whole process. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I will be uploading videos every week. So see you until the next one. Bye bye.